progress, and Susie's here. She can kind of shed some light on the process of how this is manufactured and how the construction comes to be here at Busch Gardens.
Yeah, so this Screaming Swing is the generic name for the ride. S&S Worldwide is the ride manufacturer. We're really excited to be working with them, and they've been awesome to work with. They're headquartered in Utah, and Nathan and I were able to actually make a trip out there a few weeks ago to see some of these pieces actually being constructed. We had some big and we actually did that. We sent our thematic painter to Utah, where she was able to create pieces while there, which kind of expedited erection here, which was awesome. Nice to be able to kind of plan things and watch the plan go together. So we've been real excited about that. As Nathan said, we have these two big tower legs that connect. There's a lot of electrical and mechanical equipment inside there. Some of it's there already, some of it will be added in the next few weeks. And once the next tower leg's there, then there's an axle and top piece that go, and that'll support the actual two swings. And Elizabeth, I think you're going to talk a little bit about the swing, the way it functions. But basically, it runs on compressed air. We have these two giant compressors that push air into some air tanks, which are actually underneath the deck. You might be able to see them from the other side of the bridge. And then from there, the air is thrust into the pistons inside these tower legs, and that is what propels the swings back and forth. So all that work's still being done, and we're looking at a May opening, so we're real excited about that. I was talking about the swing to somebody over at Water Country. The swing is actually 80 feet tall, so it's not your backyard swing. It's definitely more of a thrill ride type thing. You're about 30 feet above the ground below, so those guests that are on the back side of the swing, when you're up in the air, you're going to look down, and it's going to be quite a distance that you're going to see. So I think it's going to offer a real thrill for our guests.
What we're talking about. You remember that moment when you're a kid and you're swinging and it reaches the peak, and you have that moment when you come off the swing as it starts to drop backwards? That's what this ride is all about. This is an airtime monster. You hear coaster enthusiasts talk about they love their negative G's. This is a negative G ride. So you're literally going to get to swing and enjoy the sights around you, Busch Gardens, the beauty. But what's great is as the spectators gather here, they're going to hear the giggles, the screams, and get to witness all those memories being made. Because this is going to be a rite of passage that kids will look forward to the moment they get to board with their entire family to ride, because it fulfills that childhood fun in us. This is a ride addition to Busch Gardens like no other that they have. So you're going to hear the screams and all the fun that is to be had right here on this feature of the Screaming Swing. So your legs can kick and dangle. You're going to experience a full-fledged swing experience right here. And it's so nice to see such a tall addition to the Ireland area. I just imagine this area truly coming to life of fun and families here this summer.
So that you can see, if you have a question for either Elizabeth or I, we'll be happy to answer them.
How best?
Hey, Carl.